Hey everybody, it's Beck here, and if you're into travel photography, you might find this video interesting. So in this video, we're going to feature some of the work from my sister, Beck, who's also a photographer. Now she's been to over 100 countries, and she takes pictures everywhere she goes. Now her main camera is the Sony a7R II, and her favorite lens is the Zeiss 35mm, but she also uses the Sony 24-70. So we're going to check out some of her work. All right, let's get to the video. All right, so we're going to check out some of her work. I'll also put a couple links below this video if you want to check out her website or her Instagram. And also stick around to the end of this video. I've got a special announcement to let you know about. Anyway, let's get into this. So she's at kellybecta.com, and there's a link to her portfolio. This is shot from Cuba at a barber shop. Here's some of her portfolio images. Not all of them are on here, but you can see she does a lot of travel photography. Here she is with a long exposure in London. And then here's another shot, I believe, from London. And here's a really cool one. There's a special festival they have in the UK, and she took that at that one. This is also from Cuba, and this is from Italy, Cinque Terre. I think that's how you pronounce it. And so she's been to over 100 countries. So I'll put a link to her website if you want to check out some more about her. She does travel photography, so if you're into that, some of these images might be inspiring. Here's a trip that we did together in Arizona, and here's her about page. Not a lot about her, just her name and 100 countries that she's traveled to. It's probably over that now. Here's her Instagram. She's got more photos on Instagram, so you can check out her Instagram. It's instagram.com/kellybecta, and she could use some more followers. But anyway, check out her work. This one here, this tree, this was featured in a calendar. So I can't remember how much they paid her, but they contacted her. They used this in a calendar, and so some of her stuff has been featured on Nat Geo as Shot of the Day. She's had some stuff published in different newspapers around the world. Anyway, check her out. She's pretty good at travel photography. And if you have any questions about her gear or anything, you can post them in the comment section just below this video. All right, check out the special announcement. If you'd like to improve your portrait lighting and your portrait retouching without wasting a bunch of time searching for videos on YouTube, you should check out my new training package. It's actually 4 courses in one. Now in the first training course, we head into the studio with a couple of different models, and I walk you through several different lighting setups using different modifiers. So if you shoot with studio strobes or speed lights, you'll find this training extremely helpful. And there's also a retouching video in that training course. Now in the second training course, we head into the studio using gels in the first portion, and in the second portion, we cover long exposure portraits with light painting. Now both of these techniques will really help you to spice up your images. Now in the third training course, we head outdoors on location, and we work with both natural light, speed lights, and strobes, and mixing ambient light with strobes. Now in the fourth course, it's a dedicated retouching course to really help you get your retouching to the next level. Find out more about it, just look down below in the description box, click on the link, and check out the training. It's available for a limited time at this price, so if it sounds interesting, make sure you check it out before you go. All right, back to the video. If you're new here, my name's Beck, and every week I release a new photography video. So if you don't want to miss those, just click on the subscribe button and hit that bell notification, and you'll get an email update when I release my weekly video. Now, if you found this video you're watching right now helpful, hit the thumbs up button, give me a thumbs up for this video, and if you have any comments or questions, you can post them down below. Now, just coming up, I'm going to have a link to a portrait lighting playlist. Make sure you check that out too. There's a bunch of really helpful videos on portrait lighting. All right, thanks for watching this video. Check out that playlist, and I'll see you in the next video.